Chapter 8 Experiment. Aim to find the frequency of the AC mains with sonometer apparatus. A sonometer with soft iron wire hanger, 7 slotted weights, half kg each, an electromagnet with a step down transformer, clamp, stand, rubber pad, a V-shaped paper rider, a meter scale, 2 sharp-edged wedges, a physical balance and weight box. Diagram: sonometer in experimental setup. Theory: the natural frequency N of oscillation of fundamental note for a stretched wire of length L and mass m and tension T is N equal to 1 by 2L square root T by mu, where mu equal to mass by length equal to m by L equal to mu is linear mass density. Frequency of alternating current F equal to N by 2 equal to 1 by 2L square root T by mu by 2, or F equal to 1 by 4L square root T by mu is equal to N by 2. Plot a graph between T along x-axis and L square along y-axis. It will be a straight line having slope equal to 1 by 4n square mu equal to delta L square by delta T. Therefore, n square equal to 1 by 4 mu into slope, n equal to 1 by 2 square root mu into slope. Frequency of AC mains is F equal to N by 2 equal to 1 by 4 square root mu into slope. Figure 8.2 plot between L square and T. Procedure: place the sonometer on the table as shown in figure 8.1. Test the pulley and if necessary make it frictionless by oiling, and also make sure that hanger suspends freely without touching the table. Put suitable maximum weights in the hanger so that the wire becomes taut. Move knife edges WW- outward to include maximum length of wire AB between them. Cut a V-shaped paper rider with a blade and place it between the middle portion of the wire between the wedges. Example, at the middle of AB. Clamp the electromagnet in a stand keeping its core vertical and bring its lower tip just over the wire in middle of AB as shown in figure 8.1. Place a weight of 1 kg on the hanger and switch on the AC supply. The electromagnet imposes its frequency on the soft iron wire. The electromagnet imposes its frequency on the soft iron wire. Since the long wire may have frequency less than that of the electromagnet, it may not vibrate. Decrease the length of the wire by moving both the knife edges equally inwards. Go on decreasing the length till sonometer wire starts vibrating. Adjust the length for maximum amplitude of vibration, and in this situation the rider vibrates violently or may even fall off the wire. Measure the length of the wire AB between the edges of the two knife edges and record it in length decreasing column as L1. Bring the two knife edges closer and then adjust the length for maximum amplitude by increasing it. Measure the length and record it in length increasing column as L2. Switch off the electromagnet and remove it. Record your observations as given below. By changing the load in the hanger, take 3 or 4 such more observations and note then tabular form. Untie the sonometer wire, measure its length L and also measure its mass M in physical balance to calculate mu equal to m by n. Observations and calculations.
Record all the observations in the following table and calculate the values.
Result.
Precautions.
The wire should be of uniform area of cross section. The wire should be of soft iron, preferably, or of any other magnetic material. The wire should be free from kinks. The pulley should be free of friction. Tip of electromagnet should be very close to the wire in its middle. That length should be noted when the amplitude of vibration is maximum. The tension applied should be such that it should not stretch the wire beyond elastic limit. Sources of error. The wire may not be of uniform area of cross section. The pulley may not be frictionless. The wire may have been loaded beyond its elastic limit. The knife edges, bridges may not be sharp. The main frequency may not be stable.